This content is intended for adult audiences and is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not intended for viewers under 18 without parental supervision and may contain harsh or graphic language, sensitive topics, and disturbing imagery. Viewers' discretion is strongly advised. So this is just us being nosy, reporting live from somebody else's business. We did the research so you don't have to. We hope this finds you well. Let us begin. When we think of code, we think of computers, passwords, algorithms, encryption. But long before tech, there was another kind of code, a living one, hidden in language, passed through generations, a survival script written in rhythm. We call it the Griot code. This ain't about storytelling, it's about how our people protected truth when speaking it out loud was dangerous. It's how enslaved ancestors braided messages into cornrows, or used riddles and folk songs to carry warnings, prayers, and pride. Griots were more than memory keepers, they were coders of culture. They knew how to speak plainly and still say everything. Like when a dub poet says, "Dem system I crumble like a old zinc fence." It's not just imagery, that's a warning, a prophecy. That's code. Fatwa? Code. Ebonics? Code. Call and response in church? Code. Rhythms naming Babylon? Spiritual code. Every suppressed people learns how to hide resistance in plain sight. And the griots? They became the living password, unlocking memory, justice, and freedom one verse at a time. When we first started creating Jamaican case files and ultimately this 4-part segment, we didn't realize that we were stepping into the roles of griots ourselves. I personally thought I was just telling stories. And then I felt the weight of the words, the rhythm in the research, the heartbeat in the silence. Every time I speak into this mic, I'm not just narrating, I'm remembering. And through me, the ancestors remember too. The Griot code still exists. It's in how we flip English into resistance. It's in how we laugh through pain. It's in how we honor names no textbook will ever mention. So what does the Griot code sound like today? It sounds like a teenager writing spoken word on their phone in a dark room. It sounds like a TikToker teaching Caribbean history in 30 seconds. It sounds like a podcast made in the kitchen between baby cries and curfew. It sounds like me. And maybe it sounds like you too. You don't need permission to speak truth. If you carry a story, speak it. If you carry pain, shape it. If you carry legacy, protect it. And if we feel out of place in the world, maybe it's because you were born to be a griot in a generation full of noise. Let them scroll, talk, and doubt. We will keep the code alive. Because griots don't just speak, they signal, awaken. They carry the sacred frequency forward. So this ain't just storytelling, this is soul work. This is a rhythm in remembrance, bloodline in a baseline. We don't just speak names, we summon them. We don't just tell tales, we resurrect legacies. You feel that in your chest? That's not just a beat. That's the ancestors nodding in agreement. I'm Michaela, and this mic ain't just mine. It's borrowed from those who made silence impossible. We want to thank you for listening and watching the Jamaican Case Files.
Remember to subscribe to stay tuned to more hidden truths.
Until next time, stay woke, stay safe, peace.